Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, these mini braids are coming down. So before we go ahead, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and then let's jump right into today's video. So to help me take down these braids, I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to let you guys know why I decided to use a leave-in conditioner. But there are different, options that you can do. And recently, in my last video, someone posted good options for me to use to take down my braids, and I'm so grateful. Initially in my hair growth journey, when I started my egg hair journey, I was using water, I was using oils, but last year I decided to start using a leave-in conditioner, and so far so good. It has been helping me successfully. So I'm going to be taking down these sections that I've pulled out on camera, because I don't think I'll be able to do the entire take down the entire braids on camera, because it's going to take me a while. And like I said, I was going to take my time to take down my braids. Like, even if it takes me days, I was going to take my time. But guess what guys, something happened. Like, I was so shocked, I was surprised. I'm going to let you guys in on that shortly, so make sure you watch till the end of this video, to get full information on what I'm about to say. So look at my ends. Like, guys, look at my ends. This end is giving healthy, like it's screaming healthy. And one thing you want to make sure of is to have healthy hair. So it's not enough to just want to grow long hair. Make sure you're aiming for healthy hair. And of course guys, healthy hair is going to grow. A healthy hair is definitely going to grow out longer. So I've been aiming for healthy hair. Like, initially my goal was just longer hair, but I decided to focus more on the health of my hair. I've shared videos of how my ends has been so bad last year. I have videos of my setbacks and all. So I'm focusing very much on a healthy hair, and I know that length is going to come with it. So I decided to use this parting comb to just give to help give me a hand in taking down these braids, because my fingers were not doing the job. So because they are small braids, so I'll just use the parting comb to just give like a hole, then I use my fingers to separate it. So I don't use the parting comb to separate the braid, I only use it to create a space where my fingers can pass through and separate it. So guys, as you're taking down your braids, you want to be patient, you want to be careful. And as you can notice, I did not fast forward this particular braid that I'm taking down. I'm showing you guys real time what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, how much time it's taking me, so that you can see how much patience goes into taking down protective style, especially mini braids. So for twists, I'm sure that will be very easy, but for braids, it's not as easy as it seems or as it looks. So I take my time and I'm patient, going little by little. And I want to say something, guys. A passage of scripture came to my mind talking about patience, and how with patience you'll be able to reap the fruits of your labor and all that. And that is in the book of Luke 8:15. It says, but that on the good ground had they which in an honest and good heart, having heard the word, keep it and bring forth fruit with patience thereof. So it's just relational. I've seen people connect the scriptures with their natural hair. Sometimes I see the correlation to that, but this one really hit me hard, like because this particular braid really gave me a tough time. Like, as you can see how I'm struggling with it, because there were lots of matting at the roots, especially this one. There was a lot of matting at the roots. You remember, this is 3 months. I rebraided this once. I rebraided this braid once, and since then, and that was about 2 months ago, and since then it has been like that. So you're going to have shedding accumulating at that root, and everything is just like a mess. I tried using my oils, it didn't work. It didn't work, and I didn't want to use water because I don't want to shrink my hair. I want it to still remain stretched. And of course, this thing about water, our hair being weak when it's wet, is actually true. So I experience a lot of snapping and breakage when I use water. So after using the leave-in conditioner several times, it finally started loosening up, and everything was just easy, and I kept removing shedded hairs and detangling with my fingers, because definitely I'm not going to put any comb or brush on my hair, not especially on this kind of matted roots. If you do that, breakage is all you're going to get. So I was just patient, and I did that, and as soon as the shedded hair started coming out, I was relieved, like really relieved. So I'm going to be fast forwarding the video from here on, because I've shown you guys in real time how I take down that braid. So I don't want to make this video a long one. Immediately I take down that one, I put it in twists, because I don't want to, I don't take down my braids and I just leave them like that. No, they will shrink up and they might just get matted again. So I make sure to put them in twists, and those twists I'm going to be combining them to chunkier twists as I take down other braids. So I'm going to go ahead and just do this. I want to take down this other the last one at the back, and the rest of my braids, there's going to be a part 2 of this video where I show you guys the entire thing that has been taken down. To my surprise, I thought I was going to be taking this braid down in like 3, 4, 5 days or even a week. But to my surprise, to my shock, I was able to take this braid down that same day. So aside from this back section, this back line that gave me tough time, the rest of my braids were cooperating. They cooperated a lot. Like, I was just, I kept on going, I kept on going, I kept on going. And before you know it, I was done, which was so surprising to me, because I didn't plan to, do the entire thing that same day. But I was done by around 12 midnight or 1 or something. But of course, I was doing some things in between. But I was able to take it down in a day, in that same day, which was something I never planned for, because I wanted to take my time. So I guess while I was, I put on a movie, I was just watching something, because of course, I don't take down my protective style without watching something. I'll just be tired. So I like to play something or listen to something, and it just keeps me going. And before I knew it, I was done with everything. But I couldn't film the parts where after I was done, because of course it was midnight and I was so tired, I needed to rest. So I'm going to share another video of my hair after the full takedown, how my hair is looking and all that stuff. So overall, did I have any regrets or whatsoever? No regrets whatsoever, because I'm going to put my hair back in another protective style, though I've not decided yet if I'm going to repeat the braids, or if I'm going to repeat, or if I'm going to just do twists. So this is what my hair is looking like, but of course I'm going to share another video with you guys how the entire thing went and what my hair is looking like. So for now, I'll just do the rest of camera so as not to waste your time or bore you guys with this whole takedown process. So along the line, I noticed some knots and I just decided to clip them away. This is how I trim my hair. I don't do those regular trims that I do. Like since this year, I have not trimmed my hair. So I just found some few knots there and I just clip them. The reason is because if I let them be, if I let them be, they might tangle up with other strands of hair and that might cause bigger knots. So I like to remove those single strand knots that I find. So guys, a couple of twists down and many more to go. So it takes a lot of patience and grace to really do this. That's just one of the reasons why a lot of people prefer to do twists than to do braids. But overall, yeah, the going is going already. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you do enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.